Okay, this is part 2 of inking techniques, just to kind of help you out with Inktober a little bit. These are some techniques that you can use on different types of objects, and I just wanted to show you, like, some objects may have some breaks where you might leave blank spots, like in used sectioned lines or dashed lines. This kind of reminds me of donut sprinkles, like little bitty tiny lines. The ones we did last time, so I don't do them again, we did contour hatching, stippling, cross hatching, contour on the sphere, and scumbling. So I'm going to show you just a couple more things today just to help you out. So I've drawn 3 circles and some basic forms. Now, one thing that we didn't talk about last time was hatching on a sphere. So there's cross hatch lines and hatch lines. So I want to show you both of them. You can start off trying to put in nice parallel lines that start from the very edge of the object and get shorter to one end. And then I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. You can turn this upside down so you get the same repeated motion. All right, this, I'm going to go ahead and label it, is hatching, or hatching lines. So I could add another layer to darken the value, some shorter lines. And I could leave the top the way that it is, or I could have some that go all the way across, or maybe just a little bit further. See what it looks like. Okay, any kind of little negative spaces that you see down there that you want to touch up for that dark side. I'm going to go ahead and move on and do some cross hatching. Same starting technique on this sphere right here. Okay, so for cross hatching, I'm gonna just turn this slightly and go the other way. So remember, closer together, darker value, further apart, lighter value. go ahead and label it. Okay, let's go ahead and try, I'm going to go down to the pear. Let's do some cross hatching on a different shape. So I could start off following the contour. Okay, we got cross hatching on the pear. Might try little lines on this one. So if you're making random marks, kind of like donut sprinkles. Alright, so what do we want to do? Let's try scumbling on the cylinder. Or we could do stippling. We did scumbling on a sphere last time. We'll do scumbling over here. This one might take some practice. Now remember that The smaller it is, the darker value. And then the larger it gets, the lighter value. Always use a straight edge to do the sides. It looks a little bit wonky. It's a crushed can. Okay, so that's about 5 techniques for today. Call this one speckles. All right, that is it.